If you've lost access to your Lokinet account and don't have your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process of account recovery. Step 1. Visit the Lokinet login page. Go to the official Lokinet website and navigate to the login page. Look for the option that says Forgot Password or Account Recovery. Step 2. Select Recovery Options. Once on the recovery page, you will be presented with various recovery options. Choose the option that allows you to recover your account without a phone number, such as using your email address or security questions. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Lokinet account. Make sure to double-check for any typos. After entering your email, submit the form to receive further instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Complete the recovery process. After following the instructions in the email, you should be able to reset your password or regain access to your account. Make sure to create a strong password and update your recovery options for future security. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Lokinet account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lokinet support for further assistance.